In this video, we'll do a comparison between Ghostty, Kitty versus WezTerm. Which terminal emulator is best? These are the three great terminal apps. First up is Ghostty. This is the new kid on the block, made by the same folks behind Rock. It's super clean, GPU accelerated, and crazy fast. Plus, it feels really snappy, even with tons of tabs. Right now, it's still early in development, but if you are into leading edge stuff, Ghostty is fun to try out. The next we have is Kitty. It's been around for a while, and it's also GPU powered, which means it renders everything fast and beautifully. One cool thing is its layout system. You can split windows right inside Kitty. No TMUX needed. It's highly configurable, but setup can be a bit nerdy if you're just starting out. And finally, we have WezTerm. This one's like the best of both worlds. Super customizable, cross-platform, and packed with features like creators, tabs, and even SSH multiplexing. It's written in Rust, so it's pretty efficient too. It's great if you want something modern but stable. So yeah, Ghostty is fresh and sleek, Kitty is fast and flexible, and WezTerm is like the Swiss Army knife of terminals. Try them out to see which one clicks you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.